Hello everyone, Trey Snodgrass here, coming to you doing a video. First of all, I want to apologize in advance. My voice is still a little weak. I have been extremely sick over the last couple of weeks as we started this new year. So I hadn't been able to do very many videos or training and whatnot, but been working behind the scenes on a few things, and I'm very excited to finally have a chance to share with you one of the private lead vendors that I have been using very successfully for the past 6 or 7 months. If you followed me any length of time, you know I do a very thorough analysis on the programs and the resources that I use before I promote them and share them with other people. And that's what's been taking place here. And part of the reason that I had not been able to really share it on a larger scale is because I haven't had the time to put together the training and the resources needed to talk about this vendor. But lo and behold, my business partner, Jason Joyner, he had been doing just that. He and I hadn't even been talking about this, but he evidently had been testing this lead source as well as I have. And he was building a system. And then when we talked, to see what he'd put together made me excited because he had done exactly what I was hoping and wanting to do. And I'm excited to share that with you now. We promoted a system about a year ago, Smart Pay Solution. It took off really fast, but the app that we were promoting, the creators of that app just never made good on their promises. So we weren't able to really help as many people as we wanted to because we had to scale back. Well, this one, we don't have the issue. We know this vendor, this source very well. As I stated, we've both been testing this. And what I want to do is just give you a preview of what you're going to get when you opt into the system. If you haven't already, this is the first page that you will see. He's put together a great video talking about how this artificial intelligence is helping us to not only get leads every single day. I want you to hear that. We literally get leads sent to us on autopilot. They're sent text messages on our behalf. We're notified when the people respond to the text messages. They're redirected to our websites. It's done on autopilot. You know, all we have to do is set it up from the beginning, and you'll have someone to help you do that. And then it works on autopilot, bringing you verified people that are looking to work from home. And this works with any program that you want to promote. And we have some really hot programs that we're helping people with right now. Okay, you can watch the video and then just work your way through the page and get an idea of how the system works, all the details. Okay, and then you can click here to create your account. Okay, and then once you do the work and make the one-time payment to get your account set up, you'll be immediately redirected to the members area where there'll be a welcome video here that Jason did to welcome you inside and to kind of acclimate you to everything that's in place. I've been doing a little bit of testing here as I'm launching my promotion on tomorrow to get everything up and going. But you'll have several capture pages that you can choose from, and you'll have your very own branded landing page that you can promote. And then you can have an opportunity to share any program that you'd like. The person that invited you, they'll have their primary business here, and you can place whatever business you like in this location that will be shared with all your people when they make their way through the system. Okay, so all the resources that you need to have success using this is over here in the left hand column. If you click on the account and the settings, you can set up your payment processors, set up your affiliate links, and all the settings to personalize this to make it your own. But this is the section that I'm most excited about. This is the Picks and Shovels Center. And this is literally going to teach you about the lead vendors that we have in place and give you an opportunity to also earn a daily commission when you share and promote this with other people. Very, very powerful. Now, I'm going to blur out a little bit of the information because it's preserved for those that are actually members. But when you get here, you'll see our primary featured lead vendor here. You'll be able to get all the details here. He has a separate page created just for this lead vendor, so that you can see this system for yourself and see how it works. There'll be a video here that you can watch that'll highlight the program, and you'll hear from the owner himself on how it's set up and how it works. And then you'll be able to read some of the details about how it works and how you get notified and get follow-up sent out on your behalf. It's just a powerful system that does all the heavy lifting for you, okay? And your only job is just to buy a campaign to purchase the amount of leads that you want. And you'll get some of the pros, and he has some cons here that obviously there are none. I love the way he's put this together. But when you see all the value and the benefits, you'll understand why there really are no cons, because this is really done for you. And all of us need leads. Anybody that's working online, they need leads. And now we can earn a nice income by providing to them what they need while we enjoy the same benefit in the process. Okay, and then you'll see some of the lead packages and you'll have a chance to get started up with us. Okay, so that's the primary lead vendor. As I scroll down to this page, again, I've blurred out some of the information, but there's another lead vendor that I've been using quite exclusively for almost a year now that has produced results for me well also. And you'll have several resources and tools on this page that can help maximize your marketing, help simplify it, set it up on autopilot to where you literally just log in each day, send out the number of messages you want, and just have a nice way to put your business or whatever you're promoting in front of the right types of people. Okay. All right. So that's it. That's what you're going to get in a nutshell. I'm going to bring this video to an end so you can go ahead and get over to the main video, get into the system, see how it's set up for yourself. And you know me, as always, I'm going to add some additional benefits. I'm working on one other lead source that just came across my desk, I think Thursday or Friday, but one of my other partners. I've been testing it over the weekend. I've been enjoying it, and I'll be sharing it and shooting a video for it for my team members, and I'll share that with anyone that joins here with Guaranteed Leads also, okay? All right, guys, well, this is another powerful income source and, more importantly, a lead vendor. I'm using it for Live Good, those of you that have joined up with me, and a few of the other programs that I'm promoting. I'm kind of scaling back on some of the affiliate programs that I'm promoting. You know, obviously, I get these invitations quite often, and I've been so extremely busy. I've been traveling so much. I have some commitments with my church and different things. So time just has not been a big luxury for me here lately. So I'm scaling back on some of those things so that I can do more of this, so that I can actually provide training, tools, and resources for my team members and those that are already joined up with me. So I won't be promoting programs as much anymore, unless obviously it's just something that just needs to be out there. But I'm still going to be here to help those along who are joined with me. If you have questions about those things, I'll try to help you along as best I can, okay? All right, guys. Well, I'm excited for you. This has been a long time coming. I've been wanting to get this out, but I'm glad I waited so that it can be done the right way. And this system is crazy. It's amazing. It's brand new. Nobody's really seen it yet. So you'll have a chance to share this. And what I love about these systems, it's a universal message. Everybody who's doing anything online needs leads, so you don't have to be affiliated with a particular company to share this product with somebody else, okay? All right, well, enjoy it. Hope it's a blessing to you. I know it will be. Enjoy, and we'll talk soon. Take care.